Hey guys, this is Andrew with Android Central, and as we start to talk about Google's new carrier Project Fi, we thought we'd bring you up to speed with all the basics first. So Project Fi acts like a standard prepaid carrier, meaning that you pay upfront before you get the service rather than being billed after you use it like you would be used to in most carriers. In the case of Fi, that means you pay $20 upfront for unlimited talk and text every month and keeping your account active. You then pay $10 per gigabyte for the data you expect to use. So this is where Project Fi is a little bit different. At the end of the month, you'll be refunded for any data that you paid for but didn't use, and the refund will go towards your next month's prepaid bill. If you happen to use more than you expected, you don't have to worry about that. You'll just simply pay the little bit extra on the next bill instead at that same $10 per gigabyte rate. Project Fi also doesn't charge you for international data use, meaning you can travel to over 120 different countries and use your data at the same $10 per gigabyte rate that you would use locally. The only catch is slower data speeds. You'll be at 256 kilobits per second, but that's pretty good speeds, and you shouldn't notice too much of a slowdown compared to your home network. You also get unlimited international texting, and if you use Wi-Fi, you can call back to the US for free as well, which is a big bonus. So right now, Project Fi works only on the Nexus 6, but that's likely just a short-term limitation. With a Project Fi SIM card inside your Nexus 6, your phone can seamlessly switch between Sprint and the T-Mobile network, so it can go back and forth depending on a variety of factors to hopefully expand your coverage and give you better speeds. You can also make calls and texts over Wi-Fi completely seamlessly with the built-in dialer and Google Messenger apps. There's also special software on the phone to automatically connect you to open Wi-Fi hotspots when you're outside of the house, which can cut down on your data usage and again let you make calls and texts over the Wi-Fi if there isn't a mobile data network available. So why do you want Project Fi? Well, it isn't super competitive in terms of pricing when compared to the other carriers out there, but it does compete on billing simplicity and features, like the rollover data and the refunds for what you don't use. Getting refunded for data that you don't use and not being afraid of overages is really nice, and being able to travel internationally without even thinking about how much you're paying for data is a big plus for travelers out there. Google also makes it really easy to pause and cancel service altogether if you need to stop Project Fi for any specific reason. You'll need to request an invite for Project Fi right now, but that again should be just a short-term limitation until Google opens up the program to everybody. Right now, it's a pretty cool choice if you have the option to try it out.